Hello guys, today on review we have a unique smartphone with a built-in laser rangefinder. This is the DOOGEE V Max LR 5G phone that doesn't just survive the outdoors, it's designed to measure at master rates. Imagine a device that combines a professional laser rangefinder, a massive 20,500 mAh battery, dual camping lights, 130 decibel loudspeaker and a 200 megapixel AI camera, all packed into a military-grade body. This is more than just a smartphone, it's an outdoor measurement tool, a survival powerhouse, and a serious work companion all in one. In today's review, you will see why this might be one of the most interesting rugged phones in 2025, the DOOGEE V Max LR. Now let's start with the boxing. I believe this is a special VIP box version package designed to showcase all the capabilities of this device more efficiently. Everything comes packed in this special travel protective hard case, very practical. Right from the moment you lift the lid, you can tell the DOOGEE wanted this to feel premium, but still very purposeful. Inside you get the phone itself. We will put it aside for now. Alongside the smartphone there is a user manual, a warranty card and other paperwork. Extra tempered glass with the accessories, even though the smartphone comes with the installed screen protector right out of the box. Here is USB Type-C cable and a fast 45-watt charger. And that will be the contents of this package, so let's move on to our smartphone now. The DOOGEE V Max LR includes a specially engineered protective case with an integrated rubber handle, making it easier to carry this rugged powerhouse during outdoor work or adventures. Crafted with a shock-absorbent TPU, reinforced corners and a rigid impact-resistant body, this case provides a military-grade defense against drops, scratches and heavy impacts. Perfect for construction sites or extreme conditions. Every cutout is precisely designed for flawless access to all buttons, ports, cameras and a laser rangefinder, ensuring you can use it without removing the case. The integrated handle and a textured surface provide superior grip control, reducing the risk of accidental drops during the one-handed operation, crucial when you are working outdoors, hiking steep terrain or making multiple tools simultaneously. Now, in order to look at our phone in details, we will remove it for now. The V Max LR continues DOOGEE's fighter jet inspired design philosophy. Every line, screw and texture feels intentional. This chassis combines metal, durable polymer and reinforced corners to absorb shocks and resist scratches. The phone is IP68, IP69 and MIL STD 810H certified, meaning it can handle dust, water, pressure and drops without any issues. In the hand, the phone feels confident, heavy yes, but in a reassuring way, like a professional tool built to work. The curved back panel provides a surprisingly comfortable grip and the tactile side buttons feel firm and satisfying. On the right side, you will find the ventilation grills used for internal cooling during the heavy operations. The volume rocker above it, power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor. On the left side there is a SIM tray, tool-free and easy to access, supporting two 5G cards and a micro SD card of up to 2 TB. Below that is a dedicated laser rangefinder button which instantly activates the measurement function. Now this is where the DOOGEE V Max LR truly stands out. This model features a 40 meters range professional grade laser rangefinder fully integrated into the phone's body. It allows you to measure distances quickly and accurately, ideal for construction workers, engineers, architects, outdoor professionals. With a single press of dedicate button, you can instantly measure distances, heights and indirect lengths using laser reflection. Measurements are fast, precise and display clearly on the screen, eliminating the need for separate measuring tools. This turns the V Max LR into a serious work tool, not just a smartphone, something very rare in the rugged phone market. Let's move on. Under it is a customizable shortcut key that supports 3 different button functions: single press, double press and a long press. At the bottom you'll find USB-C charging port protected by the waterproof rubber flap. At the top of the phone there is a laser rangefinder, emitter and a sensor precisely positioned for accurate distance measurements. You also find the infrared sensor, allowing this phone to function as a universal remote control. As you might remember, in a recent video we tested the DOOGEE V Max Play, a model that is almost identical to today's V Max LR in terms of design and core specifications. The key difference lays in the very top of this device. While the V Max Play features a built-in laser cinema projector, the V Max LR replaced that with the laser rangefinder, shifting the focus more towards professional and practical outdoor use. Another important difference is the price. The V Max LR comes in a slightly more affordable level, making it an even more attractive option for users who don't need a projector but value precision, endurance and rugged durability. Now at the bottom of this device are the speaker grills, and this is no ordinary speaker. This is a 130 decibel smart PA loudspeaker, loud enough to replace a standalone Bluetooth speaker. It is shockingly powerful. It's basically like a portable Bluetooth speaker built into the phone. Now you surely noticed these 2 massive LED panels on the back. These are a dual 1200 lumen camping lights, bright enough to illuminate 8 meters radius in complete darkness. They have 3 modes: steady light for normal use, strobe for signaling or SOS mode for emergencies. You can adjust the brightness in the companion app and even set timers, so the lights turn off automatically after a set period. For hikers, campers or night shift workers, this isn't just a cool feature, it's genuinely useful, replacing the need for a separate flashlight. But that's not all. One of those small but more effectively functions is the RGB Ambient light, a small 2 LED lamp that reacts to the light of the phone. When a call arrives, a light ups in a color. When you receive a message, change the shade. When you are charging or the battery is almost empty, the color speaks for itself again. While listening to music, the ambient light pulsates gently with a rhythm, adding to the atmosphere. This is also a small show element. In situations when you don't want to open the screen, that light color serves as a visual notification, practical and very impressive. And all colors and flashing options you can change in the application. For photography, the V Max LR is equipped with a powerful triple camera setup on the back. The main sensor is a 200 megapixel Ultra HD AI camera with the wide f1.95 aperture and the PDAF autofocus capable of capturing stunning details. There is also 20 megapixel night vision camera using Sony IMX350 sensor for pure infrared shots in the total darkness, and the 8 megapixel ultra wide macro lens for versatile shooting. The camera app is loaded with the AI scene detection, portrait enhancement and a Pro mode for manual controls. In addition, the device supports video recording in 4K resolution, while the 1080 pixel recording offers ACE electronic stabilization, which ensures smooth and stable shots even in motion. Now, to get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our V Max LR, so let's take a look. The front of our DOOGEE is dominated by the large, valley-proven 6.78-inch Full HD IPS display. At the top of the screen is a 32-megapixel Ultra HD selfie camera, which is a real delight for photography lovers with support for Full HD video recording. This camera isn't just for selfies, it's also great for video calls, vlogs and on-the-go recording. With its 16.7 million colors and refresh rate of 120Hz with 396 ppi, this screen provides a crystal clear picture with rich detail and stunning vivid colors. Whether you are watching your favorite Netflix movie, playing graphic-intensive games, or simply browsing the web, everything looks incredibly smooth and natural. The 120Hz refresh rate further contributes to the fluidity of animations, making everyday tasks such as scrolling through apps or playing games a more pleasant experience. One of the main advantages of this screen is clearly outdoors, maybe not like AMOLED but still very good. IPS technology of this phone ensures wide viewing angles, while the brightness is high enough for text and images to be visible without straining the eyes. Hours and hours spending on YouTube videos become a great visual experience with the vivid colors and rich black depths offered by this massive 6.78-inch screen. Under the hood, the phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm 5G capable octa-core chip, clocked at up to 2.5 GHz. Is paired with 16GB of physical RAM plus 20GB of virtual expansion, giving a total of 36GB of memory along with 512GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2TB with microSD card. Such combination enables comfortable everyday use, quick switching between applications, reliable navigation, and a pleasant experience with the games or multimedia. The phone runs all applications and the games smoothly without any performance problems. Whether you are playing graphically demanding games or switching between multiple apps, While multitasking, the V Max LR handles this task without a hinge and without getting up, exactly what you want from the rugged flagship phone. The phone runs on the latest Android 15 OS, offering improved performance, security and customization. Gemini AI integrates adds smart assistant features like translation, content creation and productivity tools. Connectivity is excellent: Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6E, NFC, infrared blaster and full 5G support. Navigation is rock solid with the support for GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou, making this phone ideal for outdoor mapping and tracking. These satellite navigation networks ensure reliable and accurate location tracking no matter where you are, in the mountains or at the urban area among buildings. This phone will be the ideal companion for your outdoor adventures. All this is powered by a massive 20,500 mAh battery, one of the largest fitted into a smartphone, with a 45-watt fast charging and a 10-watt reverse charging. This translates to several days of moderate use or even a week's in standby mode, making it perfect for remote work, expeditions or emergency preparedness. The V Max LR doubles as a high-capacity power bank through the USB OTG, keeps you and your team powered up no matter how far off-grid you venture. Let's not forget the most important thing: DOOGEE V Max LR is designed to withstand even the most demanding conditions on the field, which is confirmed by top resistance certifications with IP68 and IP69K protection. This phone is completely resistant to dust, water and even high-pressure water jets. In addition, it meets MIL STD 810H military standard, which means that it can withstand extreme heat, freezing cold and heavy shocks, falls or impacts. In short, this phone is a true power monster, a flagship-grade smartphone, measuring tool, flashlight, speaker and power bank in one. With the 40 meters laser rangefinder, massive battery, 200 megapixel camera, 1200 lumen caping lights, up to 36 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage, Dimensity 7300 chipset and AI features, it's built for professionals and adventurers alike. If you're thinking about getting this DOOGEE V Max LR, now is the time. You will find the official purchase link below this video. Don't wait too long because promo offers and stocks are limited. That's all for now for today. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.